How I lost 100% of my business because I criticize pastors. Daddy Freeze. Welcome, country people, to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. E go give you alert once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Ifedayo Olarinde, wey dem know well well as Daddy Freeze, na Nigerian Romanian broadcaster and radio talk show host. E don talk about wetin im criticism of Nigerian pastors don cost am. E say e don cost am everything wey e get. E say e don lose 100% of im business. E dey talk dis one for one conversation wey e get with businessman Stephen Akintayo, the former on-air personality wey dem dey call OAP. E no hold back any matter at all as im share personal experiences when e change im life. E come talk say when e come after Nigerian pastors, e lose 100% of im business. Freeze come explain say im decision to speak out against religious practices wey e find questionable dem no come cheap. E say e lost everything, all of them just go like that. E talk say e get lucrative career as MC, Masters of Ceremony. E say but the career come dry up. E come explain how one time e come earn 1.5 million naira per event when the dollar that time na 150 naira to a dollar. E say and that amount come translate to about $10,000 every 2 months or $60,000 annually from the MC work alone. E say but after a controversial position on Nigerian pastors, e say bookings come vanish and e never work as MC since 2019 again. Una go recall say Daddy Freeze na one of the proponents of the no tithe situation for churches, and e come dey call out many of Nigerian senior pastors, and sometimes e dey use uncomplimentary language to take describe them. Of course, many people, even if they like the exposition wey im dey do about some of these biblical concepts, but the way e dey take dey address Nigerian pastors, e no dey palatable to the eyes and ears of a lot of them, and so reactions go naturally follow. E come also talk about one gig wey im get and the people come pay am up front. Say but when the flyer come out, everybody come say dem no go attend that party because na him wan anchor am, and because he never make money for a long time, the money wey dem give am as upfront, he say he don spend am finish. He say the owner of the gig come call am. He come tell am say see how the situation be. Now he tell the man say we don already agree and I don spend the money. Now the man tell am say no wahala, he go fit keep the money. He can also talk he experience about the situation where they go deny you job because of your religion. He talk the story of one man. He said the man say him be Muslim. He say who won't give am job? Come tell am say he no go fit follow Muslim work. He say he watch the video. He said the guy still there for the gate of the building when the building collapsed. Freeze dey refer to one tragic incident when e involve a collapsed building. According to am, many Christians dey unwilling, they not dey ready to work with people of other religions. He say and that na one mindset when he believe say e need to change. He say Muslims say dem dey more open to work with Christians than the other way round. That the phrase can also address the long-standing controversy when e dey surround in divorce. He admit say im ex-wife make allegations of domestic violence against am. He say and that claim e follow am for many years. But he come talk say the truth be say dem dey fight sometimes. He say and the fight dey get physical. He say Nigerian people dem no dey accept say marriage go fit end without drama. He say you no go just say marriage no work, I want to divorce. He say no, you must be a monster. He say if not, dem no go divorce you. The video when he take talk all these things, we no go fit plan here because of YouTube regulations. But country people, this lamentation of Daddy Freeze, e dey touching. One, na human being. And two, that time when e dey do in church online, free the shepos movement or something of that nature, e dey talk very strongly against Christian beliefs when him personally feel say e dey wrong. And him believe say the Nigerian pastors dem dey milk their members of their hard-earned resources, and he strongly condemn am. And also many times if you watch him videos, he dey speak ill of many Nigerian pastors. And of course many too for their videos they dey say some harsh words when e be like curses against Daddy Freeze. We go want to wonder whether na all these things so dey react against am, or na the fact say many of these people when e dey insult their pastors so, they come take am personal to say the enemy of my pastor is also my enemy, or the enemy of my belief, e dey also my enemy. Or wetin come make dem come dey do like say dem dey ostracize am, nobody wan do any business with am. Abi na part of wetin these pastors dem when e attack, dey tell their members codedly say nobody should do anything with Daddy Freeze. Country people, this cry of Daddy Freeze as e dey explain wetin e don experience since 2019 dey come say e no dey get jobs again because e condemn Nigerian pastors and their practices. Una share. You get anything when una get to talk put for this matter, abeg put am for the comment section.